you very much.
opportunity to
Mahalo.
work with as often as these two occultists next to me. She is Mehana Souza, and I love this lady. She is just rich. Maybe not the kind you will carry to the bank, but rich with aloha, rich with heart. And I love her mama, Auntie Irmgard. But we would like to feature Mehana now. See, I cannot call you Auntie.
Call me Auntie Irmgard. Actually, my first name is Irmgard.
Oh, see?
And I just learned that, so I had to go change everything to Irmgard.
Oh,
so
well,
when they call
you know
Irmgard, I'm
what?
sitting around here looking for my mother.
Well, you know what, Darlene, Ipo, since she just went change her name to Irmgard, I think we should all change our name to Irmgard.
I think so.
Zach, how you feel?
Irmgard too.
You
He
read
said
that,
okay. He told me it was.
Yeah.
He's
The
game.
Irmgard Quartet.
He's game.
Yeah, the Irmgard Quartet.
So Mehana is going to do, would you like to introduce your mele, honey?
Thank you. And thank you, Karen, as well as Ipo and Diane. What a pleasure to play with these girls. This song I'd like to do for you was written by my mother. And we call it the vacuum cleaner song because she was vacuuming her house, and across her mind flashed this lapa hoe la to the cookie beat. So she kept on vacuuming, put it away. The next Saturday she brings out the vacuum, vacuums again. Lapa hoe la. The third week she's vacuuming again, and it comes again. So she calls Auntie Kavena Pukui, and they decide to write a song about a boy from Laupahoehoe. And this is three times the boy from Laupahoehoe.
We vacuum once a year.
That's why we never get mele.
That's right.
No more mele.
So I'd like to honor all the men here, whether you're from Kalihi, Kailua, wherever you're from. This song honors you. It honors our men. They left to climb up the mountains, go down to the river to catch that delicious catfish. They left to paddle their canoe, fish, surf. They had great respect for the ocean, and the ocean is their friend. When they come home to their hale, they eat big fingers of poi, and that's how they come big and strong. Zach, for you too, darling. Laupahoehoe. I go down to the stream and catch that delicious catfish. I'll be okay, Zach, take it. Canoe. Ai hoi wa ai hanala ai ke kai ha nupa nupala oh he au me ho pola ai na ale o ke kila ai hoi wa ai hanala ai ke kai ha nupa nupala oh he au me ho pola when I come home to my house, oh, That's what gives me my great able body. To serve, who love to eat, who love living in the party.